Hello and welcome again to Motion Time. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a simple lower third in Apple Motion. First, let's create our text. Let's adjust our text. And then, let's add sequence text behavior for our text. Behavior, text animation, sequence text. Let's trim our sequence text. And add some position and opacity. Now, let's set the starting position of our text and adjust the opacity to start from 0. Next step is select animate to character without spaces so that motion will ignore the spaces on our text. Adjust the spread to have a bit of a smoother animation. Okay, and speed, let's select is both. Okay, I think it's okay. And I noticed our text animation is too fast. Let's make it at least at 220. And then let's adjust the speed again to custom so that we have much more control on how our characters appear. Let's go to the keyframe editor and adjust the handles and adjust other properties again so that it looks much better. I'm gonna change the apply speed to per object. So it looks bad, so I'm gonna select just once per loop. And then I want to add some line so that it doesn't look bland. I'm gonna add some Bezier line here and here, and turn off fill, put it out from the group and so that it will be inside the group. Go to the first frame and press I on my keyboard so that the Bezier occupies the first frame. Now gonna add some keyframes for in the last point offset, and then add some keyframe. Adjust the keyframe in the keyframe editor. Adjust the interpolation to Bezier and adjust the handles. So next step, let's add some mask so that our text will not appear here at the bottom of the line. So let's select our text group. Let's press Option R to add some shape mask, which is available here. Option R, then hold Shift. Option R, then let's put a mask on our text. Okay, so next, let's see. It looks much better now. We cannot see our text here at the bottom anymore. So next step, let's publish our text so that we can use this on Final Cut. So let's select this and publish. Let's also publish the starting position of our text, which is this one. Publish. and other necessary stuff. Let's also publish our Bezier, the brush color. Okay, if we click here on the project, we can see our published parameters here. You can rename this, just double click the name. So this one is brush color. Let's change that to line color. Next is, let's save this so that we can use it on Final Cut Pro. Let's save it as a title template. To do that, go to File, Convert Project to, and Title. The reason why I select File, Convert Composition to a Final Cut Pro project title, because my project was a composition earlier, not a title project. So now, title source is to none, then select click convert, then file again, then save. Let's create a category. So I've already created a category earlier, which is test. I'm gonna rename this template as YouTube lower third, then publish. Now let's open our Final Cut Pro. So here on Final Cut Pro, go to title, which is available here if you click this one. Then let's go to the category we have made earlier. So in my case, I have created test. Oh, this is one. Then here is the YouTube lower third that we have created. Let's drag that onto the timeline. And then let's scroll. You can see our text is here. You can click this to adjust our text, or you can just click here on the right area to adjust your text. So let's change our text. Let's adjust the font, maybe this one. Adjust the size and color. Let's also adjust the line color. You can adjust the text because it's the other part of the text is not visible. You can click here, then adjust the position and scale or font size. Okay, so that's quite easy, right? We have created a very simple lower third for Final Cut Pro. I hope that you enjoyed that simple lesson on how to create a lower third, and thank you. See you again next time.